was my main goal कि मेरे को revise करना है all the basic notes I have. Like I didn't want to do anything extra.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Medilite MBBS. I'm Drakshayani Chogle, currently a final year MBBS student at Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College, Mumbai. Today I'm with Dr. Anujay Menon sir, who has secured AIR 109 in NEET PG 2021. So I welcome you sir and heartiest congratulations to you. So
Thanks a lot.
my first question is, how does it feel to get All India rank 109 in NEET PG, and whom do you want to give credits?
So first of all, it feels damn good. Matlab, it's already like been weeks and now it's finally sinking in. So more than anything is the sense of relief that you get after such a prolonged year of preparation. And for the second part, I would like to thank my family. They've been supportive throughout my MBBS, and I have a good group of friends. So all of them have given me nice and good emotional support. And of course, my professors and seniors, without whom I wouldn't be able to get this rank.
Okay, so when did you started the serious preparation for the NEET PG entrance exam?
So I would say the serious prep started at like Feb end or March start. That is my internship year. But the notes making was before, like in MBBS.
Okay, sir. Sir, what was your strategy throughout the year? As there were so many postponements, how did you balance between your internship and study?
Yeah, so as I said, I started during Feb end. This was when our DAMS TND started. So my original plan was to follow that routine of attending a TND and doing those subjects. But then as COVID hit us, it all went haywire. So I started like following the basic timeline that what senior said, ki first reading should be done in 6 months around. So that was my plan. Like so, and multiple revisions was always emphasized upon. So my basic plan was that to finish as many revisions I could.
Okay, sir. So actually, there were so many postponements. So how did you kept yourself motivated throughout the year? Like initially, it was like in Jan, the most of the time that NEET PG happens, but it was not conducted in Jan. It was shifted to April, and then at last it conducted in September. How did you kept yourself motivated throughout this period?
Yeah, so before the postponements, I was like kind of on my plan only. But when that first announcement happened, it was kind of it like got me off track. Like maybe for a few days I didn't study. Like people got complacent actually. But then you got to get back and then start again. Like so that was my plan. And then again the second one hit. And after that for a month, I don't think like anyone could prepare a lot. But you still got to keep revising and give your GTs and stuff. So that was the basic plan. Like
Okay, sir. So, sir, there are many coaching institutes. What are your thoughts about these external coaching institute available like DAMS, Bhartiya, Maro, PrepLadder? Did you join any, and was it helpful to you? If yes, how did you approached it?
so, I personally joined DAMS foundation course. That is, it starts in third year. So and in my internship, I also had Maro Q Bank and test series.
Okay.
So DAMS ka it starts in third year and third year and final year you make all your notes. So personally for me that was a good way to take instead of Maro videos because I can't like follow a plan and watch all videos. So I had to sit in the classroom and make my notes. So that was very helpful. So at the end of my final year, I had most of my notes ready except for a few subjects. So for those subjects, I bought the MCQ book, like maybe 2, 3, but most of it was DAMS notes.
So was there any specific books, like you said that you bought some MCQ books? Were there any specific?
So it depends on you. Notes are ideal, but I couldn't attend, like say FM, I couldn't attend. So for that, I bought Sumit Seth, I think उनका MCQ book है एक, that, and then PSM के लिए अपना विवेक जैन. So these standard ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, when did you start solving MCQs, and how was your approach towards the wrong answers and you marked in a particular module?
Mhm. So MCQ solving I did along with my first read only.
Hmm.
So I would finish the reading and do the Marrow Q bank.
Okay.
And wrong answers for me, I would bookmark some of them, and some of them I would add to my notes.
Okay.
So yeah, so I prefer to add to my notes actually at the start of my preparation. And for QBank that is, and for GTs I made a separate notebook like
Okay.
for all my wrong and mistakes and everything.
Okay, so the next question is, how significant is reading standard textbook in today's scenario of app-based education and concise note system? If yes, how should final year student mainly allot time for attending classes, reading textbook, and practicing MCQs?
So standard textbooks, the thing is, they do take time like to read. So for personally in second year I did Robbins, and final year I did Harrison. And but the most important point is key, you should have enough time to revise those. There's no point reading Robbins once, you'll always forget it. So factor that in. If you can complete revisions, then you read. Otherwise it's like okay to read Indian authors, anything doesn't matter much in the long run. But yeah, standard textbooks में वो edge रहता है कि your notes will like just refresh all those points which you read. So and coming to final year, I think so. Final year, I read Harrison. Bailey, I couldn't read along with Harrison. So you can choose between the two, like maybe. And regarding MCQs, I personally didn't solve any MCQs in my final year. But what I did was like my DAMS notes, I read those for my final year subjects, and they were quite helpful during my university papers. And one more advantage you get is key, these subjects which you read in your final year, they'll be very fresh during your prep year. So like you might have to do lesser revisions of that subject. Like for example, OBGY, I was very thorough with the note before only. So that was very helpful. So I could do some subjects which I was weak in, like in those times. Like
So you said about Harrison. When did you actually started reading Harrison? Like it is a very huge books, and starting in
yeah,
final year is it too late, or is it okay to start in final year also?
see, it depends on you. मैंने personally I did it like maybe third year end तक I started थोड़ा बहुत. People do it in second year also. It all depends on you. But वो भी selectively करना है, ऐसा नहीं कि cover to cover. Some topics obviously like it's given shorter and higher yield notes, so you can prefer that. But it depends on you. See, like I didn't do anything cover to cover. Selectively पढ़ना है and अच्छा लगा तो ही पढ़ना है. मतलब if you want to do medicine or something, then you read Harrison.
Okay.
But make sure you don't spend too much time on it. Like
Okay, so apart from well-known education platform like we initially included like DAMS and Marrow, what other lesser-known applications, sites, books would you recommend? Or
so,
would
I would say
or you have been used like any other things other than these all?
so. My primary is also dance, Marrow, and TND and DBT. But other than that, like you can always use Google obviously to search any doubt or whatever. And there are also those doubt solving groups of respective platforms. मतलब Marrow का रहेगा, dance का रहेगा. So those are very helpful for like updates or doubt solving. And other than that, if you feel some topics are missing, you can always check YouTube. There are many videos. Like an academy is one platform which has like many free videos on YouTube. So you can check them out. Like it all depends on you.
Okay. YouTube videos, Google, and the Unacademy platform help.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So many people talk about integrated pattern of study. And did you use this method to study? If yes, then when did you start doing integrated study, and how did you approach it?
Yeah, so integrated approach abhi, like it's very pertinent right now. But for me, I had my DVT notes, so those were in an integrated manner only. So for me, that was the only source which I could read in an integrated manner. Other than that, I would always like club related subjects together. You know, like pharmac medicine, वैसे. So that was as integrated as I could get. But I know few people who prefer integrated approach in their, like after they're done with maybe 2 revisions. फिर you can do. उसके पहले it'll be time consuming and मतलब no point. But
Okay.
end में time है तो you can do that.
Okay. Sir, when did you completed your first revision and how many times did you revise before appearing for the exam, and what was your last month strategy?
Like my seniors told me कि you should be done by July ideally or August mid, but मेरा थोड़ा extend हो गया. I finished it by September end, like my first read. And then after that revisions, like maybe 2 to 3 months my second revision वैसा first revision वैसे. And so by the time that April 18th वाला NEET was there, I was done with like approx 2 to 3 revisions for every subject. It varied from, like I told you, my strong subject I didn't read much. And after April 18th तो I didn't keep count only, मतलब मैं like whichever subject I felt was lacking, like GTs के ऊपर से, I would read those more. So हाँ, मतलब it could be anywhere from 4 to 5 revisions like.
Sir, INI-CET is 30 days away. What suggestion or advice would you want to give to them?
So for me, when I gave INI-CET, I realized कि I went to read more advanced stuff, but what I should have done was just revise my notes all over again, like cover to cover, and that would have been very helpful. Like, and one more thing I could suggest is do some previous year papers. Like not all, क्योंकि वो that will be very time consuming, and 30 days is like kind of less. So you can do like 1 or 2 maybe, क्योंकि last paper में काफी repeats आए थे. So and of course there are like specific topics for AIMS like INI-CET which you should focus on, that you can easily find on the net, like emergencies, procedures, ये सब करना ही है मतलब. So if you devote time to that, it will be helpful. Like.
Okay. So what was your success mantra which made you excel in NEET PG exam?
I would say since we had a lot of time, we could revise a lot. So that base was always strong, and so that was my main goal कि मेरे को revise करना है all the basic notes I have. Like I didn't want to do anything extra. Sometimes it is tough कि you want to do something extra when you get more time, but I would suggest कि refrain from doing that. Like stick to your notes. जो भी है मतलब I don't know कुछ भी हो, do your मतलब खुद का notes preferably. So that was kind of helpful.
Okay, so revising again and again was helpful to you.
Yeah,
so sir, this is my last question. Like any advice or message you want to give to future aspirants or my viewers?
Yeah, I would like to give like maybe one thing which people don't mention is you revise a lot, but in the end paper कुछ भी आ सकता है. So you need to develop the skill of like solving MCQs. Like this you will only get through multiple GTs, see where you're going wrong. There are like many videos, like I would suggest Sanjeev sir from Patho Dams. He has this video where he gives like tips and tricks to solve MCQs. In the end तूने डैम्स किया रहेगा या मैरो, you will be used to those type of MCQs. But real paper में they can ask you anything. So that is one thing you should have, like knack of solving MCQs. You have to kind of hone your skill. And another thing is कि I would say don't get demotivated from your GT scores. You do well or you do bad, you always try to rationalize it कि मैंने क्यों अच्छा किया. Don't get complacent if you're getting good scores, and if you're getting bad scores, see कि ठीक है मैं ये पढ़ा नहीं तो मुझे next time मिल जाएगा. So try to rationalize your losses and build on it.
Okay, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for joining with us and giving such a valuable advice about preparation strategy. Your advice are definitely going to help all our viewers. And once again, I want to congratulate and pray for your bright future. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for having me on. Thank you.
And thank you so much for watching.